Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Susan McCourt, Math 125, Modern College Mathematics, Logic, Section 2, Problem 10. Logic, Section 2, Problem 10. B. Write the statements in symbolic form and construct a truth table. 10. The printer doesn't need paper, or my password won't work, and my battery is weak. So we have three simple statements. Be sure to use the positives. P, we'll use the positive of the printer doesn't need paper and do the printer needs paper. My password won't work will be our Q, but again, we'll use the positive. My password will work. Third, my battery is weak is already in a positive, so we'll use it. My battery is weak. Now let's see how we combine those into a logical form. The printer doesn't need paper is followed by a comma. That highlights, again, we're going to have a parentheses. Since there's just a simple statement there, it means the parentheses is going to come after this connective of or. So we're going to have P or and begin the parentheses after that because of the comma. Then we have my password won't work, which is a negation of Q, and my battery is weak, and R. We always go back and reread it just in case we missed a negation or some other step. The printer doesn't need paper. We missed that negation on the P. Let's put that in there. The printer doesn't need paper, needs the negation of P. Or, that comma again tells us we need these parentheses. My password won't work will be a negation of Q. We caught that one. And my battery is weak. We have the and the R for my battery is weak. So we're all set to do our truth table. We'll need three columns, P, Q, and R. And our statement, negation P, or Q, and, negation Q and R. Always check as you go. It's easy to just get wrapped up in doing the long problems and skip some steps. Let's get our truth values in. True, true, true. True, true, false. True, false, true. True, false, false. False, true, true. False, true, false. False, false, true. False, false, false. Again, stop. We go by twos here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then by twos, 2 trues, 2 falses, 2 trues, 2 falses. Then by fours. 4 trues, 4 falses, and we're ready to start. Let's bring down all of our simple statements or their negations. For the negation of P, we will have false, 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 true, 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 and true. For the negation of Q, we will have false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. And then we have the simple statement R. So true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. And those were columns 1, 2, and 3. Which action's next? Always inside the parentheses with the and statement. That'll be step 4. Again, and is only true if both are true. So we have false, false. The true and true will give us a true. False, false, false. The true and true gives us a true. And false. Last step is the or, which we want to negate. We want to combine the or with the not P and the entire parentheses, which means that column 4 that we just came up with. So columns 1 and 4 will come together here. Were you doing the or statement? We remember that the or will be true if either one of them is true. So a false or false will be false. False, 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 false. The false or true is true. The false or false is false. True or false is true. True or false, true. True or true, true. True or false, true. Two falses, true, false, and then the rest are true. And that is our final statement, our final step, our answer.